Hi, Cass.
Hi, I have a fever.
No, you don't have a fever. You're being funny again.
No, because I have a fever.
Hey, Cass. Do you know what we're gonna do today?
We're gonna learn the farm. We're gonna learn the farm animals' names.
Yes,
Sounds.
that's right. Farm animals' name and sounds. Okay, so what I have here is a mystery luggage.
And that's a beast.
No, what do you think is inside this mystery luggage?
Toys.
What kind of toys?
Beauty and the Beast.
You sure?
Yes.
No. Okay, we'll find out. Okay, let me open up the box. Okay, I'll open it up. Wait. There. Just the other look. There.
That's not
Ooh.
farm animals.
Something's inside.
Magic.
Something inside. Okay. Pick one. I need you to pick one. Close your eyes. Okay, reach in. Pick one. Up. Don't open your eyes yet. Now.
Bison. Bison.
Oh, what's the sound that the bison makes? Again. Bison. Oh, put it aside. Put it here. Let's put it here. There you go, bison.
Next one is the camel.
Now, let's see. Oh, reach in. Go. Open.
Camel. Camel.
Let's see. It's a camel
And
there.
he has humps.
Yeah, he has two. How many humps has he got on his back?
1, 2, because it's a baby one.
That's a double hump camel.
And it's big.
They're usually tall. Oh, let's put it aside. That's a camel. There we go. There you go, camel. Go. What's next? Now.
That's ham.
No. What animal is that?
Pig.
A pig.
Pig.
Very good. Oh, put it away. Let's get the next one. Go. Get the next one. Now.
It's a doggy. Dog.
Let me see. Yes, it is a dog.
That's. Oh, I found my doggy.
Can you pretend to be a dog and make that sound?
Ruff. And what the sound of this?
Which one? The pig? Oh, can you pretend to be a pig? You're such a cutie pig.
How about that camel?
Oh, camel. Oh, pretend to be a camel. That's not the sound of the camel, you silly. Oh, put it away. What's next? Reach in. Go, go, go. Oop, there's more. And open up.
A minotaur.
No, it's not a minotaur.
Cow.
No, what?
Cow.
A cow.
A
Oh,
mananan cow.
again, what is that?
Cow.
A cow.
Cow.
And what's the sound that the cow makes?
Mmm.
Good job. Oh, put it in here.
The milk.
Oh, Cass. Oh, hold that.
I'll put it.
That's where your milk comes from the mimims of the cow.
Like carry it.
Like Carrie. I say, thank you, cow, for the milk.
Thank you, cow, for the milk.
Okay, next.
I'll say mananan kayo.
No. Oh, go next.
Mananan kayo.
Don't peek. Open up.
That's ostrich eat a chick. Ostrich.
That's an ostrich.
Look, it can put eggs.
Yes, an ostrich lays egg.
Look, it will sit down.
Yeah, sit down and she can lay her egg.
Sit down, ostrich.
Oh,
Sit
okay.
down.
Let her stand here beside the dog. All right, what's next? Ooh, you have to close your eyes and go.
That's my tatay.
Why?
Because that's my tatay.
Why? What is it?
Tatay chicken. Chicken.
What's the sound that the chicken makes?
But that's my tatay.
Yes, that's your tatay chicken. Oh, put it here.
Where's tatay? Is this tatay?
Yes, that's your tatay chicken. Come. There we go. What's next? What's next in the box?
Goat. Goat.
Ba.
It's a half goat, half man.
That's a goat. No, it's just a goat, a normal goat.
A half if
Ba.
it's
Can you pretend to be a goat?
meh. Meh.
Okay, let's get the next one.
And
Huh?
if it's a half goat, half man.
Oh, what do you call a half goat and a half man?
Be, be, be.
I forgot the name. I think I
think
forgot
the
what you call it. It's from Percy Jackson.
And what's in the half goat, half man? His name is Bing Bing in the Biningi.
Okay, next. Put it here. I'll go. That one. There you go. What's next?
Sheep. Sheep.
Pretend to be a sheep.
Bah.
Is it the same as the goat?
Yes.
No, goat. What's the sound of the goat again?
Bah.
And the sheep?
Bah.
Okay. Good job. Let's get the next one. There's few more in the few more in the luggage of farm animals.
Sheep.
Huh?
Sheep.
Okay.
Where's his eyes? He
It's-
can see.
Is it blind?
Yes.
Let's get the next one.
Sheep.
What have you got there?
And the guy who eats tigbayan.
In English, what is it?
Tigbayan.
No.
Horse eats
It's a horse.
tigbayan. Horse.
Oh, what's the sound that the horse makes?
Nay. And it looks like a tigbayan.
It does.
And me and Tata, you were in the horse in Baguio.
In Baguio, yes, we went there and we rode in one of the big horses in Baguio. You wanna do it again, Kuya? You wanna go to Baguio again and ride one of the horse?
It's a centaur.
The horse with the colorful hair.
Is it brown?
Yeah.
And
Next one.
do you want your hair to be brown?
Yes. Oh. Okay. Let's put it there. Thank you.
My name is Pak Pak Pak.
Go. Get the next one.
And the cat.
No. Yes.
Cat. And I think that's Chloe.
Chloe the cat.
Meow.
What's the sound that the cat makes?
Meow.
Yep, that's exactly the one. There. Get the next. Okay. There. No, don't. Okay.
It's a duck. Duck.
Quack, quack, quack.
Detective
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack. Oh. Excuse me.
Totoy.
Oh, what's the sound the duck makes?
Quack.
You finished with that?
Not yet.
Oh, not
yes.
yet. Oh, let's put it here.
Bibe.
Bibe in Tagalog. Very good. A pato, you say pato.
Pato.
Oh, what's the next one?
A deer. Deer.
What's the sound of the deer makes? No, that sounds like a horse. That's not a deer.
Ooh.
I don't know. We'll let Nanay search for the sound of the deer, okay?
Okay.
I'll put it here.
Yeah.
And the last one is... What's inside?
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Let me see. What's the name of that rabbit?
Kitten.
Huh?
Kitten.
That's the name of the rabbit?
Yep. But
You sure?
it's a hare.
A hare or a bunny?
Hare.
Oh, let's put it here. Is there more inside?
That's it.
That's it. That's enough.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye, Totoy.
Bye-bye, Cass.